Ubani? Awufethu. Umakhelwane wethu uzinhle lo. Asithembe ukuthi njengoba khuluma lapho akakhulumi ngenkomo. If kunjalo khona zokubhola namhlanje. Linda, sister.
I think we should take this dead body and send it to his uncle.
Oh, no, sister. Let's take some movies, sister.
Do you have any plan?
Sister, so chilly, sister.
We can go.
No, but we cancel the body. What if you don't get this job, sister? So chilly, sister.
Let's just go on with the plane.
So, Buff, tell me, how does it feel to be hopeless and useless? Well, that's how I felt when you slept with my wife.
Kakade. Yabona kubuhlungu nasifisa bona, lokubuhlungu kumele nani nikuvikele. Take your own medicine.
Straight. Lo mbhede eniyondlaleni nalabo ulofa. Mina nobibi. Oh, yeah. Ngikufisela inhlanhla. Engazi-ke nje bafuthi uzo-enjoy njani impilo ukulesimo okusona nje manje.
Sister, angithelela nato. Uko wayibheme nyawo bhena mowo bhena ama-drugs.
Never. I would never do drugs. Even if ekusele wona wodwa emhlabeni ngeke ngize ngibhema ama-drugs mina.
That when my sister ufuna ukutshela lana. I was focused ngathi uyangithola. Because when my sister ukukutshela iqiniso ne ungangijaja wena my sister ke ungibize ngawo wonke amafugama ufuna ukungibiza ngawo. But reality ukuthi sister akekho umuntu oyikhethelayo kuba yi-addict. Kuwe boseyicathula exam sister kube yi-understand lento ngishoyo uyayithola. Because wena my sister sihlezi sihareza lapha esitradini siharezela the very same thing esibulalayo, the very same thing nesicabanisa nomphakathi. Uyazi wa because sister once uyibhema lento kunzima ukuyiyeka my sister, kunzima until uzuyitshela ngaphakathi wena my sister ke uyitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuyiyeka le nonsense, until uzuguqa phansi ngamadolo sister ucele kumdala ukuthi akusize ke nawe sister wena ukuthi uyiyeke le nonsense my sister. Ngicela sister, ngicela ungisize sister ke ngisave impilo yami sister.
Yeah, it's a bad lami lang may gana.